Welcome back, Wax friends. So I have a fun little haul for you guys. This is a nice little order that I picked up from Super Tarts Wax, and this was from a recent RTS that she had. Now I did purchase from the RTS kind of late to the game, so I think a lot of scents were probably picked over, but there were several scents that I wanted to try and a few that I wanted to get again. So if you want to see what your girl picked up from Super Tarts, stick around. Okay, so just go ahead and dive on in. So I did get a nice little invoice from Brandy, and it's nice because she does put on here the scents right over here, and then she does have the prices, so that's nice. Let's see, I also did get a sample, and this one is in Parks and Recreation, and it's a really cute little heart-shaped wax. And I'm already starting to lose my voice, and I don't know why. Always whenever I'm gonna make a video, it's like my voice is like, oh, no, you're not. Okay, so this is a super pretty mint green colored wax. Okay, so this is a very fresh scent. Yeah, I would say this has a lot of grass in it. It is a sweet scent. A lot of freshness. I do like this one. There aren't scent notes in it, but almost feel like I get a little tiny bit of bakery in it. Yeah, that's really nice. So I'm excited to warm that, and I always appreciate a sample because sometimes that's how you find a new favorite that you just have to have. Okay, now I did go ahead and get all of her brick shapes, and these are her brick shapes right here. 6 pieces of wax. So the first scent is Strawberry Pound Cake Palo Santo. That just sounds so right up my alley. I love strawberry scents. So this is freshly sliced strawberries, vanilla cream pound cake, and Palo Santo. Oh, it smells so good already. Yeah, so you get 6 pieces in her bricks. And this is so good. So she does have a really lovely Palo Santo. To my nose, it's really creamy and rich. And it just blends in so nicely with that strawberry pound cake. Yeah, I love this one. Very sweet bakery, but with that extra creamy, slightly woodsy smokiness from the Palo Santo. This is fantastic. And I personally get really, really good performance with Super Tarts. Like, I'll put one of these little cubes in each of my warmers, and I'll probably get like 2 melts out of that. So really, really like that one. I'm so glad that I picked it up. Definitely would be something that I would get again. Okay, the next scent is new to me as well, and it's called Rogue, and this is coconut cream pie and pink sugar. So I love anything with coconut cream pie and pink sugar, so that combination together was a no-brainer. I knew I had to get this one. It's a really, really pretty soft pink colored wax with some just a little tiny kiss of glitter, not too much. Oh, this is so good. Yeah, so I love her coconut cream pie. It's rich, it's decadent, it's sweet and delicious. And then when you have that pink sugar, it adds another element of sweetness to the scent, but then it also kind of takes it out of the bakery sphere and puts it more into like a, almost like a gourmandy body care. I love this one. It smells to be about a medium on cold. And again, I get really, really good performance from Super Tarts. And now I know some people might wonder, like, what type of warmer do I use? I do use some Scentsy warmers with Super Tarts, but I definitely stick to at least a 25 watt bulb warmer or a 40 watt bulb warmer. And then I also have some Julianne hot plate warmers that I got off of Amazon, and those do great with her scent. So I love this one, Rogue. Fantastic if you love coconut and pink sugar scent. So I would definitely get that one again. Okay, I think all of these but one are new to me. So this one is skinny dipping, and it's sea salt, ozone, seagrass, plum, pear, and passion fruit. It's a really cute label. So basically this is her Jaws blend, which is famous for good reason. It's my favorite, with passion fruit. That's my cat. Really pretty blue colored wax, kind of like a green blue teal. Oh man, I love this. So definitely the Jaws in here is the prominent note. And then that passion fruit, I think it's in the background. It might come out more on warm, but this is fantastic. I love this. Like, I seriously love any Jaws blend that she has. It's just the perfect amount of like salty sea air aquaticness with like fruit, and it's just so good. I love this one. So if you're afraid of passion fruit, don't be if you're gonna get this blend, because it's not strong in here. It might be adding a little tiny bit of extra sweetness to the scent, but predominantly I get a lot of that Jaws blend, and I'm so happy because I was looking for just like a straight up Jaws blend and she didn't have any on there, but I'm gonna be stalking her page to get some more Jaws blends. Okay, next up is Sand Dollar Cookies. This one is so cute. So the scent notes are cotton candy, pink sands, and sugar cookie. Sounds delicious. This is really pretty. Wow, this is so strong. As soon as I opened it, I could smell it. Really pretty. Oh, this is so good. So I do get cotton candy for sure, and I do get sugar cookie. Pink sands, I'll be honest, I'm not sure what pink sands blend has in it, but I definitely get the cotton candy and the sugar cookie, and then something else, which must be the pink sands. This is so nice. Again, it smells like a medium. I don't think I need to cure these. I'm not sure. They don't have pour dates on it, but I'm sure they're probably about a month old, and that's just absolutely fine because her wax, again, just gives really great performance for me. So that smells fantastic. Okay, another scent that's a Jaws blend, and that's Strawberry Coral. I think I have had this one before. So this is strawberry jam, seagrass, I'm sorry, I keep saying that in that order. Sea salt, fresh air, seagrass, plum, and pears. So her strawberry jam plus Jaws. Oh, it's so good. So I definitely get the strawberry jam in this one, but I'm also getting her Jaws blend. I love this. This is so good. I should have got another brick. So good. Love this one. And this is actually like a medium plus on cold. This is a really, really good performer. So excited to have another one in my stash. A Strawberry Coral. Okay, next up is Plump. Right there. So the scent notes are plum slices, blackberry, and ocean waves. So I really do love like fruity scents mixed with an oceanic water accord note. That's like one of my favorite blends. Okay, so in this one, I get a lot of that fruit. I do get a little tiny bit of that ocean waves, but I get mostly, I would say 75% I get the fruit. Let's see, it's plum slices and blackberry. I'd say yes, it is like a berry scent. I feel like I might get a tiny little bit of floral, and I don't know if maybe her blackberry has a little, sometimes blackberry scents can lean a little floral. Not a lot though. It could be the ocean waves giving me that little tiny kiss of note. But this is nice. Excited to warm that one. Again, I feel like I get mostly fruit, a little tiny bit of the ocean waves, and then maybe just a touch of floral. And that could just be, you know, from like the blackberry. So that smelled lovely. And then this one is her all famous, and for good reason, Bake and Bake. So I am a bakery hoe at heart. So this is zucchini bread, sugar cookies, and sweet cream. I love zucchini bread blends. And this is fantastic. Oh yeah. So I do get the zucchini bread, and her zucchini bread, to me, it's very creamy. I don't get like a Fritos note from it. I don't get dirty feet. Some people, zucchini bread can be kind of controversial, but I typically don't pick that up with zucchini bread. But I do like some zucchini bread vendor wax more than other vendors, but this one is amazing. I love this one. And then I do get the sugar cookies and then the sweet cream. So good. This is famous for a reason. Fantastic. Again, it smells to be about a medium on cold. And you guys, I am just so excited. I cannot wait to warm all of these. I'll probably start warming them fairly soon because, again, I find that I don't really need to let her wax cure. Now, having said that, I have had some of her wax for like a year or two, and it still performs amazing. It has very good longevity. It's amazing. Her wax is great. So that is what I picked up in the RTS. Leave a comment below if you have tried any of these scents, and if you have, which scent, what is your favorite, and then is there anything you think that I would love from Super Tarts, and anything I need to put down on my list to try. I'm super open to a lot of scents that are like fruity, bakery, oceanic. I don't know, not too crazy about florals, but there might be some I would give a shot for. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.